Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Pick a flat, undamaged stainless pan and place it on medium heat. Heat the empty pan for about 30 to 60 seconds so the surface stabilizes. This prevents sticking. Next, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of high smoke point oil and tilt to coat. Test with a small water bead. If it dances and skitters, the pan is ready. Once the oil shimmers, add food. Make sure not to crowd the surface so browning happens evenly and you avoid steam. Control temperature. Sear proteins on medium-high and resist flipping until they release naturally. That crust is flavor. Once seared, remove food briefly and deglaze while hot. Pour roughly 1/4 cup of wine, stock, or vinegar and scrape the fond with a spatula to dissolve caramelized bits. Reduce gently and return food. Lower the heat to finish cooking and to emulsify any sauce. Finish with a pat of butter or a splash of acid to round flavors. And after cooking, let the pan cool just enough to handle. Then rinse with warm water and wash with mild soap using a non-abrasive pad to protect the finish. If food is stuck, add enough water to cover the stuck areas, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. The particles will lift. For rainbow discoloration or stubborn stains, make a paste of vinegar and baking soda or use a cream stainless polish. Buff gently. Troubleshooting tip. If persistent warping or severe
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.